Hello students, I am Sukhwant Singh, Physics HOD of your online platform. I am going to teach you Physics for NEET. It is not a very tough subject. Only we have to attack on our concepts. I know nowadays the bio students are very afraid from physics, but no need to afraid. And I will teach you all basic concepts. If you are concentrating on my concepts, I can make you sure you will get 150 plus means 150 to 180, this range of marks in physics. What is important in particular unit? I will taught you only that things. Don't go beyond that things. Okay? So please listen carefully. It is first topic, units and dimensions. A very important one, because every year, see from 2010 to 2020, every year you will get at least one problem from this topic. And a very simple topic, units and dimensions. So first thing is units. What are units? There are three types of units. Fundamental units, supplementary units and derived units. Understand? Fundamental units, supplementary units and derived units. What are fundamental units? Fundamental units means the units which are not interchangeable. For example, unit of mass has no relation with unit of length. So there are 6 fundamental units plus one additional mole is there. So including that mole, you will get 7 plus 2 supplementary, you will get 7 plus 2 now 9. So first we will talk about what are the fundamental units in different systems. For measurement, we have initially 3 systems: CGS system, MKS system plus FPS systems. So initially there were only 3 systems. One was CGS, second one was MKS and third one was FPS. So initially there were only 3 systems were there: CGS, MKS and FPS. What is CGS? C for centimeter and centimeter for length. What is G? G for gram and gram is for mass. And what is second? Second is for time. In MKS units, in MKS system of units, they have 3 fundamental units. For length, it is meter. For mass, they have kilogram. For time, they have second. It means L, M and T again are there. In FPS units, they have foot for length, pound for mass and for time they have same thing, means second. It means initial stage. In initial stage there were only 3 system of units. One was CGS unit, one was MKS unit and one was FPS units. Generally French persons, they were using CGS and MKS systems and Britishers were using FPS system. In all these 3 systems, one thing is common. For time, all are using only second. They have different units for length and mass, but for time they have same units. For length, centimeter in CGS system. For mass, gram is there. For time, second is there. And what about MKS? For length, they were using for length meter. For mass, they were using kilogram. For time, they were using second. And Britishers were using FPS units. For length, they were using foot. For mass, they were using pound. For time, they were using second. So there are these three systems. But nowadays, you are using SI units. What is SI units? I told you previously that these are systems for fundamental units. Means units which are not interchangeable. They are fundamental units. No relation between two type of units. They are fundamental units. So initially people think that there were only three types of fundamental units: length, mass and time, because they have no relation in between them. You cannot say that 1 kg is equals to 10 meter. You cannot convert kilogram into seconds. So it was their initial thinking. But after that, they thought you cannot change centimeter into degree Celsius. You cannot change centimeter into current, means ampere. So it means there should be some more fundamental units. So nowadays they included 4 more units. They took 3 fundamental units from MKS system and they added 4 different units. So in SI units, now they have 7 fundamental units. Is it clear to you? Now we have 7 fundamental units. So in SI units, for exam purpose only it is important, SI units. We have 7 fundamental units. Number 1, for length, they choose meter. For mass, they choose kilogram. For time, we have second. 3 are these. We took these 3 units from MKS units. Now we added 4 more. What are they? Number 4. For temperature, they choose Kelvin. For temperature, they choose Kelvin. For current, they choose ampere. Ampere is there. 6th, for luminous intensity, when clouds are there, darkness is there. When it is a sunny day, you are getting more light. So we are defining this by intensity of light, and they choose for this candela. Is it clear? From candle, they select candela for light intensity. 7th, for quantity of substance, they selected mole. What? They selected mole. So mole is there. So these are 7 fundamental units in SI unit system. But again they thought these units has no relation with angle, and we know that there are 2 types of angle. Angle at the center of circle made by the circumference, it is known as plane angle. Angle at the center of ball made by the surface area of ball, that is known as solid angle, because ball is a 3-dimensional figure, circle is a 2-dimensional figure. So they know that there are 2 types of angle which you cannot relate with these 7 units. So now they have to add these 2 units. So they gave these 2 units a name, supplementary units. Means after some time they added these 2 units. One is for angle, radian. So remember always, radian, you know from 9th, 10th class. Radian means arc upon radius. Arc is a length, radius is a length. So a ratio of these 2 things is radian. For solid angle, they include steradian. What they include? stay radian. So now we have a complete system of units known as SI units. Everything is there now. 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. So now you can define every quantity of physics by these 9 units.